How to disable Windows automatic updates on Windows 10 permanently. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So first of all, let's learn how can we disable the Windows automatic updates. For that, you have to click on Type here to search and open Services app. Once the app is opened, you can tap on any of the file and then you have to tap on or press W. Then you have to search for Windows Update. To disable it, simply right-click on it and go to its properties. Select the startup type and click on Disabled. Click on Apply and then OK. This way you have temporarily disabled Windows automatic updates. Now for the permanent solution, open the Run tab and open Edit. Hereby you have to click on HK local machine, and under that you have to choose software folder. Under that you have to search for policies. Under policies we have Microsoft, and there we finally have Windows. You have to right click on the Windows folder, then click on New, and then you have to click on Key. Let us name the new folder as Windows Update. Again, select the folder that we had just created, right click on it and then click on New again. Now again select the Key option and then name it as AU. Now right click on the AU folder, click on New and select the word 32-bit. Now name this new value as No Auto Update. Now click on OK. To select it, just double click and change the value data as 1, by which you have permanently disabled the automatic update. That's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.